fun.
Table. I just thought what you did.
There is. I got some gauze. Well, I have some gauze. Wouldn't that work? I gotta put this on.
What's the problem?
Okay, the problem is, I'll show you. If you guys had a basketball, you could play basketball out here. I don't. Should get one.
See what's wrong with it? It looks good so far.
No, see what happened is I came too far. It's supposed to be like right here. So I'm taking this
You
out.
can give it a mohawk.
Well, I need some of this
It's
to
like
make
this head.
his horns. He has little horns here and here. So I
You
thought,
need to give him horns.
okay, but look, these will be the horns right here. And then I'll do the ears.
You
And
don't need to give him horns.
okay, well, that's kind of what I had planned.
Those are ears.
Corbin, are you telling Grandma what to do?
Yeah.
No.
that's okay.
No, I said she doesn't need to.
Well, he doesn't want you to have to do her work.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I know, I've had too many rings. I know. And I was sopping wet again.
But we don't have to
No,
do this
I was
here.
thinking we could. No, I want to. I like having it here. Do you want to see your grandma's?
What is this?
It's my Diet Coke. Do you want a drink? I wish we had a Sprite. How would you like?
I don't need it.
Corbin, look at this. And I have another bag downstairs.
Why turn on a movie, Corbin? Why turn on Elf or something?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Turn on a Christmas show.
Fine. I'll turn on Fortnite.
No, that's not a Christmas show.
It's a movie.
Oh, yeah, Fridays and Freddy's.
Order, what color do you want on the bottom?
I'll do blue.
No, not blue on the bottom.
Yeah.
Please, red on the bottom. Red and orange on the bottom. It just looks best. It just really look. These make the color pop out more. Hi, Jaxie. These colors are the best toys.
Where's your toy? Where's your toy, Jaxie? Where's your toy?
Where's it? Where's it?
Oh,
Hi, Mom. Oh, hi, Mom.
okay.
I'm gonna get that squirt gun out.
Okay.
What did I lay the room for?
Do you have one of
Can
those?
you, I want you honest.
Oh, you're a little
I don't, but I do have.
Hello.
You've had this for so
Hello.
long.
I know that was
love this.
that was Grandma Nellie's. It's yours.
Hello.
What are you looking for?
It's those.
Oh,
It's the Pyrex like
I don't have it.
measuring. I just had it made of glass.
Kids
I don't
movies.
have one. Do you have to have one? This little one.
No, Elf is the first one that appeared. No, never again.
Well, here. Are you doing it in the microwave or on the stove?
Yeah. Okay.
So, I'll bring these down with me if you know somebody in your ward that needs.
Do you have Netflix on this,
That
Grandma?
looks really nice. Looks thicker.
It's
Grandma, do you have Netflix on this?
like
What? Do you have Netflix?
Yeah, I do.
it only looks thick because I minced.
We do. And there's a really cute show on Disney Plus coming out too. It's about these two boys. They get ripped off at Christmas, and so